Hi, hello, it's Lynn. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Thanks again for being here in my channel. And this video, probably you already see the title below, is about my Chanel sports flap bag. I think that's the name. But I already unboxed this before, I think a few months ago, 2 or 3 months ago. So I'm gonna link the video in the description box. And by the way, those for my handbag lovers out there, I created a playlist for all my handbag videos. So it's just one click and you can autoplay. If you're interested with bags, I have a lot of Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and even Hermes bags, but some of those I no longer have because I sold them. But that would be a different video, I think. If you want me to do a video why I sold some of my designer bags, you can put your comment below. But this is not bragging anyway. It's just that some people are into handbags, some people are, I can't talk, are into shoes, and some other things. But ladies as we are, we sometimes make some splurges, makeup, shoes, handbags. So it happened that I like some handbags and I take care of them so that they will retain their value and I could sell them when I need it, because you don't know when you want to need some cash. And these are not so, like they said, investment, because the value would really go down. I consider it as an investment if the value will go up. But most of my bags that I have, because they're mostly pre-lab, I don't usually buy brand new ones because they're very expensive. So I tend to go to the pre-lab market. So most of my bags are pre-lab and I always want to have a deal. But anyhow, enough bluffing. This video is about my Chanel sports flap bag. So if you're interested and giving you an overview of this bag, stay tuned. Hi, so this is the bag that I have. This is the most recent purchase I think that I have, designer bag wise. So this is the Chanel bag, and yes, this is the name of the bag is, I put a picture here because I got this from Fashion File. The name of the bag I think is Chanel Sports Flap Bag Lambskin, and the color is beige and black. So I never owned this kind of bag from Chanel. I used to have the I think the Chanel black patent leather, but I sold that one. But I have that in my video. If you like to watch it, you can. And again, I have a playlist that I would link in this video also, so just check on the description box. So this kind of strap I think was like famous, like there were, I think last year and even to this year, this kind of strap, like a guitar strap, are very in. I saw Balenciaga has it, Fendi has it, and I think Louis Vuitton also has it, but it's like a different their leather. But this one is like a what do you call this, it's like a cloth, but it's sturdy. It's almost like the one that I have with Hermes, the Evelyn Hermes bag. It's almost like that kind of strap, but it has the Chanel logo in it. And this is the back. And by the way, I would make a different video because this one I got this pre-lab from Fashion File on a very, very good deal, but again it needs some like rehab. So I got this one service to Pores Rehab. So brand new from Pores Rehab. I just got it I think a week ago or 2 weeks ago. But I already used this bag when we went to our mini vacation in New York in Lake George. So I also have that video also if you wanna try to watch it. It's a nice like some clips of what we have, what we see in Lake George in New York, in upstate New York. So I carry this bag with me. I already planned this that I'm gonna use this bag, so just perfect timing. Purse Rehab sent me over this, I think 2 days before we went for vacation. So this is the bag. So it's a flat bag, it's a lambskin. So as you can see, I have my Louis Vuitton pochette inside because I don't wanna, because this is my daily bag. Probably you already know. This is my go-to, like easy, grab and go bag. But then I like to use this, so I just put this inside with all my wallet, card case and everything there. So paperworks are there, receipts are there, and it's perfect. It's not that heavy because this is lambskin. So I probably would put some before picture of this bag because Purse Rehab really did a good job with this one. First thing is this. I think she repainted this because it was a little lighter before, and then the back was so like dirty, like you could see some color transfer. So now it's, the color is perfect, and she matches the color of this one because this is beige, and she did a good job. And then this one, I think she they call that retouch or recolor this. I think I see some video about getting the hardware redip on, the color gold or silver. So this one, it looks brand new. I don't think she changed it. I think it's the same one that I have, and then she just probably dip it with the gold, gold colored one. And then this one looks brand new. I don't see any stains in here. Maybe this one. But she told me that there might be some that she could not take off, but I said it's okay because it's almost a vintage bag, and I love it very much. It's part of being vintage. So the dimension of this bag is, let me see, from here to here it's 9 inches, and from top to down that's 6 inches, and then the deepness is only 2 inches, but it's expandable. Plus it's a lambskin. It tends to be a very like soft leather, so it could expand. So but then it's not too long that I wanted to be in a crossbody bag, but I don't think it's meant for a crossbody. But because I'm petite, I can use this as a crossbody bag. The drop is only 16 inches from here down here and to the last string here, and you can move this wherever you want it, and it's like this. It's like wrap around all on the bottom, and then it's you can put this what do you call this, buckle either the side or in the top, so you have the flexibility to do that. For now I like to put it on this side, so far it's working with me. So, and then the stitching, it's still there, it's still intact. And yeah, when I got this bag, I was like asking leather surgeon, because they're also very popular here on YouTube, leather surgeon, if they can do something about my bag, but they turned me down. And then one of my viewers or subscriber told me that you can go to Purse Rehab, just check them in the Instagram. So I went to the website and I found Purse Rehab, and indeed she said like she can do something about the bag. So I was so happy. But again, I'm gonna do a different video on that, and how was my experience with Purse Rehab. So yes, this is my bag, and again, the name of the bag is Lambskin Sports Flap Bag from Chanel, and I think the series is in the 90s or 2000, and probably I do what's in my flap bag when I went for my mini vacation. So that would be a different video also. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.
Tell me that you love me.